Welcome to our YouTube channel MedBasic21. You can subscribe, like and share. MedBasic21.
Now we shall discuss causative pathogens of RTI, SSTI, UTI. Requirements of bacterial growth. Bacterial reproduction process. Difference between exotoxin and endotoxin. Does cephalosporin cover atypical bacteria?
Respiratory tract infections caused by common pathogens like Haemophilus influenzae, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Legionella pneumoniae, Moraxella catarrhalis.
Skin and soft tissue infections caused by common pathogens like Staphylococcus aureus, Streptococcus pyogenes.
Urinary tract infections caused by common pathogens like Escherichia coli, about 80%, Proteus mirabilis, Klebsiella species, gram-negative bacilli, Shigella, Salmonella typhi, Vibrio cholera, Helicobacter pylori.
Requirements of bacterial growth. Source of energy, from CHO, protein, fat, water, lipid. Growth factor, PABA, nicotinic acid, folic acid, thiamine. Essential trace of elements, magnesium, iron, manganese, cobalt. These ions are needed for secretion of enzymes. Oxygen. Carbon dioxide. Temperature. Generally optimum temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. pH. The optimum pH is like blood 7.3 to 7.4.
Bacterial reproduction. Bacterial reproduction is an asexual process which occurs by binary fission, simple division. Binary fission is the process by which one cell divides to give two identical daughter cells.
Bacterial reproduction process. 1. Slight enlargement in cell size due to increase in metabolic activities. Production of energy and cell parts. 2. DNA replicates, duplicated. 3. Cell wall and membrane grow inward separating DNA molecules. 4. Transverse septum, wall, cross wall, is formed due to continued growth of cell wall and membrane. Divides contents of cell and DNA molecules. 5. Two daughter cells formed. Generation time. Time required for one cell to produce two new cells is called generation time. This time varies with the type of organism and environmental conditions. Average generation time is 15 to 20 minutes, varies from 10 minutes to 24 hours. Replication. Replication is the process by which DNA copies itself in order to make a new genome to pass into a daughter cell. Difference between exotoxin and endotoxin. Exotoxin secreted by living bacteria. Endotoxin release after death of bacteria.
Soluble, liquid in nature. Insoluble, solid in nature.
Exotoxin protein in nature, but endotoxin polysaccharide in nature.
Exotoxin is heat labile, but endotoxin is heat stable.
Less antigenic, but endotoxin highly antigenic.
Toxoid formation is possible by exotoxin. Toxoid formation is not possible by endotoxin.
Exotoxin usually produced by gram-positive bacteria.
Endotoxin usually produced by gram-negative bacteria.
Does cephalosporin cover atypical bacteria? Explain with why. Coverage of antibiotics. Cephalosporin. First generation. Covers most of the gram-positive and some gram-negative bacteria, usually E. coli. Second generation. Covers both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria and some beta-lactamase-producing pathogens. Third generation cephalosporin. Covers most of the gram-negative bacteria, some gram-positive bacteria and some beta-lactamase-producing pathogens. Fourth generation cephalosporin covers most of the gram-negative bacteria, gram-positive bacteria and some beta-lactamase-producing pathogens. Atypical bacteria, that have no true or organized cell wall. But cephalosporin and penicillins acts by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis by inhibiting the transpeptidase enzyme. So, cephalosporins does not covers atypical pathogens due to lack of true cell wall.
Thanks for watching. You can like, comment, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching. You can like, comment, share and subscribe us.